Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are rating my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dishcloth free ideas, kitchen ideas for housewives. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, mind-blowing ideas and different color uses. Some are beautiful granny square pattern. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful pattern, different ideas, free pattern, crochet handbag, crochet dishcloth, fingerless gloves, different dresses, dog sweater, cat bed, cozy ideas, and different free pattern. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Good comment section, and you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Beautiful ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please wait for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.